Forget about everything you've ever learned about jalapeno poppers because this recipe is about to blow your mind. All right, so no more boring, regular old Joe stuffed jalapeno poppers. We're gonna do some wild ones. We're gonna get unique. We're gonna get crazy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start out with some jalapenos. I found these jalapenos. Actually, you can check out your carniceria or your local Mexican food spot. They got the biggest, massive jalapenos you'll find there, and it's cheap. So we're gonna roll the jalapeno. Where does it want to stay? Boom. So now this will sit perfect on your wired rack. So what we're going to do is just trim this top piece off just a little bit, just a little bit. Get a little bit more in there. Okay, just like that. And get your spoon. And you're gonna just want to carve out the seeds. This one wants to be a little difficult, but I'll just pick and just make sure you don't poke all the way through on the other side of the jalapeno. And then you can kind of just tap them out. Tap them out and they'll fall. I really like this method. I don't like cutting the jalapeno poppers in half because all my cheese, everything falls out of this. So, boom, like that. See? Perfect. Now let's cut these bad boys open. Now with these, you can stuff with anything. Ground chicken, brisket, bacon, anything you can think of, you can stuff these jalapeno poppers with. What we're going to do today is we're going to get our pan. I got some pulled pork that I cooked over the weekend, so we're going to use this. It's a great way to use leftover pulled pork. So we're going to just spread this out in our pan. And I got about 1/3 cup of shredded cheese. Next thing up, you got the cream cheese, you got the cheese, you got the pulled pork. Now we're gonna need to season this bad boy up, so we're going to use our hot honey garlic rub. Hot honey, pork, it just makes sense. It's sweet, it's got a little kick, it's got the garlic flavor. This stuff is absolutely incredible for stuff like this. Add that. Okay, now we mix. All right, we got our mixture mixed. So now we're gonna just fill the boats up, fill them up. Make sure you get real down deep inside. Just fill it up. And I go till it's level on top. And you can always get more in there with these, I feel like. So get a little bit more here. Stuff them up. Boom. That's how we do it right there, boys. This is how we do it. The poppers are stuffed. So I got me some thin cut bacon. Always when you're wrapping things, you want to make sure you're using thin cut. I always call it cheap bacon. Thin cut bacon that you can literally see through. And we're going to start on one end and we're just going to wrap her around. Raps-a-daisy. Wrap it on. It's a long piece right here. Boom, get rid of that guy. All the way around. Back on the rack. And continue. These are great for your smoker. You're having a party, having people over. These are great bites for your guests to eat. Also, you can cook these on a gas grill, indirect heat. You can cook these in your oven. Or what my sister likes to do, she likes to cook these in her air fryer. So we'll get them lined up. Nice and wrapped, ready to roll. What we're going to do now is back to the hot honey garlic. And we are going to sprinkle all the way around. You can use your favorite barbecue rub. This is just what I prefer, especially for these. Since we're making them different, hot honey garlic, pulled pork, cream cheese stuffed poppers. Try to say that 3 times. Whoo. The honey, the garlic. Oh, I'm ready to eat these bad boys right now. I'm feeling lazy today, so I got my Green Mountain Grill fired up to 300 degrees. We're gonna let these bad boys go until the bacon is fully cooked. Time, I don't know. I'm gonna guess 45 minutes to an hour, but let's go to the grill, let's throw them on and see what happens. Good night, baby. I'll see you in 45 minutes. So what's every good jalapeno popper have? It always has a dipping sauce. So I thought we would make something crazy. I'm getting some Asian vibes off of the hot honey garlic that we're doing with some pulled pork. But before we jump into the sauce, if you found any value out of this content, please like, subscribe, send this to a friend. If you know somebody who's the king of jalapeno poppers, send this to him to see if he's ever done it. So what we're gonna start with is your favorite wing sauce. About 1/3 cup of that. Okay, then, you know, since I'm getting the Asian vibes off this jalapeno popper, let's go ahead and grab some teriyaki sauce, your favorite one. Mix that in a bowl. Boom, 1/3 cup of that. Then let's throw a little mango at it. So this is our Chipotle mango rub. All the links, everything in the description, everything I've used here will be down in the description. So make sure y'all go check that out. I have the full recipe. I'll have everything I did will be down below. So go check it out. So we'll do another probably 2 tablespoons of this. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. Then we will just stir it up. Whew. Smells good from here, man. That mango is popping. Okay, time for a taste test. Here we go. Ha ha. Ooh. Ooh. Little teriyaki, little mango with the punch at the end with this hot sauce. All right. Boom. This will go in our refrigerator. We'll let it sit until those poppers are done. All right, total of 1 hour. Let's check these. Dang, look at those. All right, they're ready to go. 1 hour total. Real thin bacon wrapped around jalapenos. 1 hour. She's done. Let's pull them off. Finally, we can eat. All right, let's dive right into these bad boys. Add a little sauce to them. It's got the sweet. It's got the kick from the pepper. Ooh, it's cheesy. Bacon wrapped. It's crispy. I can taste the pork, the sweet, the garlic. This sauce is absolutely banging. You're missing out if you ain't making this at your next party. That's it. I think I'm going to start a series. Let me know down in the comments. I think we're going to do a summer grilling series where we're going to just stuff all kinds of crazy peppers. Stuff them with everything. If y'all are interested in this series, please let me know. Drop a comment. Let's get it popping. If you like this recipe, wait till you see what I'm cooking next. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.